Hi, I'm Nikki West and I'm crowdfunding for Mummy Writes, baby-friendly creative writing workshops for new mums. They get to learn something new, get creative, make new friends and bring their baby along, all whilst on parental leave. They're baby-friendly classes, so you get to embrace the chaos. There'll be lots of things for the babies to do and you're free to do what you need, like feed or change the baby, and the workshops are flexible so you can get involved in the way that you can. It gives you a taste of fiction writing for the complete novice or shy writer who's always wanted to give it a try and never had the guts to do it. We learn about different writing genres, styles and tools, about influential writers with readings out loud during the workshop so you don't have to do any homework, and there'll be plenty of time to try and write and test things out yourself. Why mums? Why now? I know that parental leave can be a really tough time. I've just returned to work after a year's maternity leave and I found that learning new skills, particularly if they were creative and intellectually challenging things, can not only help you mentally deal with things you've been through, even though it is through fiction writing, but it can also help with finding self-confidence and identity at what is one of the most challenging times in life. Why me? I'm a London-based copywriter, editor and workshop leader with Lost for Words, my business. I'm also a short story writer, most recently winning highly commended for the Bridport Prize 2019, and I also have an MA in creative writing from the University of Manchester. There are two ways you can support us. Firstly, pledge to take part in the course. You can purchase just a single workshop or the full 6 weeks course. At the moment it will just be available in the Lewisham Bromley area, but if we reach our stretch goals I'll look to bring it into more central London, or just show us some love and donate and help support us, especially if you know any new parents or someone who's about to become new parents. It's a great way for them to learn something creative and challenge themselves whilst they're on parental leave. And they can bring their baby along, and there's not much out there like this, so show us some love and get pledging.